Welcome to a lesson with Dr. Powell. Let's remind ourselves what the average value of a function is. Suppose that we have a function on some interval from A to B. Now, the average value of a function is the magical height that we can draw on that interval such that the area of this rectangle will be the exact same as the area under the curve from A to B. So this is what we mean by averaging. It's very much the same idea as if we're averaging just individual values of things. Like what if we're averaging as a list of numbers like 1, 5, and 7. We want to find the average of these numbers. What do? Well, we add them up and we divide by 3. Okay, now let's think about that for a minute. This is like having a box of like this of height 1 and base 1, and maybe we have another box of base 1 and height 5, and then we have another one of base 1 and height up to 7. And then let's see what we're doing. We're taking the total area, 1 plus 5 plus 7, the total area that's here, and then we're dividing it by 3. Well, should that make sense? If we think about the idea of making a rectangle that has the same area and what is its height. Now, this rectangle that we make has a base of 3, and the height is what we're after. That's going to be the average, the height. What do we know? Height times 3, or 3 times height, is going to be equal to the area of this. Now, if we are forcing this area to be the same as the area total right here, 1 plus 5 plus 7, then that's what the area is going to be. It's going to be 1 plus 5 plus 7. We're going to fit that into this rectangle. And this is how we're going to choose our height. Then we divide by 3. Notice that it's the exact same idea. So this area squashing into a rectangle deal is really kind of the same thought process that we have whenever we think about averaging. So how would we do this? Well, if we have a function here, f of x, what we do is we take the function f of x, we'd find the area under it, and then we would divide by the total, by the width, to get the height. Now the width would be b minus a in this case. So this would be equal to the average height, or the average value of the function. The average value of f of x on the interval from A to B. Thanks for watching.